How to deactivate your Tumblr account safely. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your account page. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Select account settings, then scroll down and find the delete account or deactivate account option. Before deactivating, make sure to back up any important post or data you want to keep, because deactivation may lead to loss of access or permanent deletion. Tap on the delete account or deactivate account option and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to enter your email and password to confirm the deactivation. Once confirmed, your Tumblr account will be deactivated safely, which means it will be temporarily disabled and hidden from others. If you want to reactivate your account later, simply log back in within the allowed time frame, usually 30 days. If you don't log in back during this time, your account may be permanently deleted. Now you know how to deactivate your Tumblr account safely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.